Is it the right time to buy or sell Uber stock? Let's dive deep into Uber in this video. We previously published an initial report on our website on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Uber as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.93. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 29 days, Uber has exceeded our expectations by delivering a remarkable gain of 33.33% since we first recommended buying it. This translates to an impressive average return of 1.15% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, offering a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react and move towards the lower part of this trend. However, if it breaks through the top trend line at $62.99, it indicates a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 37.19% change in the stock over the next 3 months. The potential return on investment ranges between 9.72% and 39.45%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 79.34% change in the stock over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 28.17% and 81.83%. The stock price could range from $79.43 to $112.68 after a year. Our latest update on Uber brings a headline: weaker technical forecast for Uber as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, the Uber stock price experienced a decline of 1.2%, moving from $62.72 to $61.97 on Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.32%, ranging from a low of $61.45 to a high of $62.88. In the past 2 weeks, the price has shown an upward trend, rising by 9.88% and seeing an increase in trading volume by 14 million shares despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly higher risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $2.44 billion worth of Uber shares were bought and sold, with a total of 39 million shares being traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Uber stock was $63.03, while the lowest was $23.90. Currently, the stock price sits 1.67% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $1.06. Additionally, the stock is 3.25% below its all-time high, which occurred on February 11, 2021 when the price reached $64.05. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 13, 2023, Wedbush gave Uber a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, RBC Capital gave Uber a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Uber an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Needham gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Uber stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Uber stock. The Uber stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a promising sign for its future performance. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of price corrections downwards, there is support expected at $61.08 and $53.01. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. It's worth noting that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the near-term development of the stock. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 12, 2023, resulting in a 1.2% decrease so far. This downward trend is expected to continue until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to keep an eye on the stock as volume has risen during falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. When it comes to downside support, Uber has 2 key levels to watch. The first one is at $58.63, just below today's level. If this support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level at $57.97. It's important to keep in mind that testing a support level always carries some risk. However, if the stock manages to hold above $58.63, it could potentially bounce back. In terms of risk, Uber is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $1.43, which represents a 2.32% difference between its high and low. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.59%. Today, we'll discuss the potential trading levels for Uber. But before we do that, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Uber's P/E ratio is currently quite high, indicating that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are $0.140. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing some potential day trading levels for Uber. If Uber experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $62.46. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Uber faces its first support level at $58.63. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Uber from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 30, 2023, Alnawayzer Turkey A conducted an insider buy of 2,950 shares of restricted stock units. On November 16, 2023, Alnawayzer Turkey A conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glenn conducted an insider buy of 650 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glenn conducted an insider buy of 579 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glenn conducted an insider sell of 752 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -1.137. Overall, insiders purchased 433,207 shares and sold 441,775 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $60.26, which is a decrease of 2.75%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, implying a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 85, which significantly increases the risk. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? Despite several negative signals, Uber stock should be considered a hold candidate due to the potential for a turnaround situation. While there are some weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate in this position, pending further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Uber is undervalued. When trading resumes on Thursday, December 14th, we anticipate Uber to open up at $62.10, an increase of $0.128. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you agree that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Additionally, what target have you set for this stock? We value your engagement and encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being here.